What's up, guys? What's up, YouTube? What's up, everyone? As you all know, welcome to our YouTube channel, Mom's Kitchen with the Boys. And as always, have a lovely mom.
Hello, everyone. Good to see you again.
Okay, guys. Well, if you don't know what to do on this channel, we're doing things like going to do cooking tips. Just cooking shows. So if you're into cooking or you're into your kitchen, make sure to stick to this channel because we do interesting stuff. Sorry. I'll tell you.
Chef, yeah, you know you do yourself.
Mommy, they know me. I'm well known around this globe.
Of course.
Anyways, guys.
One and only chef.
Thank you. You see, my name is well known. Anyways, guys, today we're going to do what we call banana.
Shout out to our friends. Shout out to them, please.
Yeah. So people say they want to see this. So handful of people say they want to see this. So this is what we're going to do today. So we're going to do what we call banana cake. We're going to do what we call banana cake. The ingredients are basic. We have our milk. Yes. We have our sugar, our
baking powder.
Oh, our baking powder. Come on, look like flour. But this is the flour. This is the flour.
All-purpose flour.
This is
vanilla.
And we have our tamago, egg.
What do you call it?
Tamago, Japanese for egg.
Okay.
Then this banana. Yeah, banana.
Milk.
So, and our milk, this is the milk still. So guys.
Then our butter, melted butter.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that. And so what we're going to do now, we're going to blend.
Yes. Very simple.
We'll peel the banana shell out and we'll blend the banana.
We have a blender here.
Yeah.
You know the purpose of this channel is you can make do of what you have at home. Not necessarily you go and get new things, or you just find a way of making it happen. So we are going to make use of our blender. We are going to blend some things with it. So
yeah, let's get into the real stuff. Okay, we're back. As you can see, we've got the banana put inside the blender. Nice to add milk.
ooh, mommy, this is
Gosh, maybe change the video. Let's do that instead.
So here, this is our egg. We are going to turn it in here. While Jeff will do the blending, our bowl is well washed, it's clean.
I'm gonna blend this.
So we are using 2 eggs. Now we turn in our sugar. Don't want too much sugar. Now we should less our sugar. So use your just whisk it like this. Okay, so this is our milk and banana. We're going to turn it here. So this is our flour. You have to sieve it. We finish sieving everything. Then here is our vanilla. Baking powder. Mix the dry ingredients together before you take it to pour it in here. Jeff, please, your attention is okay. Let's read it down because we still have milk left. The next thing you turn in your butter. So it's coming. You still have to mix it again. Our pots. So just like that, you turn it in the pot. Put it on your stove. It should come out. Take everything, no waste. Shout out to my new subscribers. I love you all. I appreciate. Thank you so much. Turn the stove low, the gas low, on the low heat. Then I'm talking. I don't know how many minutes it's going to cook, but I'll be coming to check. So friends, this is it. I'm turning it in the pot, as you can see. So friends, come with me. Let's have a look. I'm closing my eyes. Ta-da! This is how far it's going. As you can see, just remain the center. But it's going well. The aroma alone is going well. This is about 10 minutes. Yes, maybe in the next 5 minutes it will be ready.
Okay guys, we are done with the process, and as you can see we have our
banana cake.
Yeah.
Actually, this one will not come out like real cake because of the banana in it. So it's like this. We should cut it.
Yes, soft.
Like I should keep it first. I don't feel like cutting it.
Oh wow. This is nice.
Take it out. Okay.
Damn.
Yeah, it's still very hot.
Chocolate. This brown part won't break. It's chocolate.
It's still hot. So let it cool. So we are testing this to see. Jeff, do you want to taste? Yes. I like brown, anything brown. If my bread is not brown, I will not eat it. It's hot.
Let's see.
It's burning. Guys, it's nice. The taste is perfect. You feel the banana. Oh my god! I love this. But I like it to cool. If it's cold, you enjoy it more. This is nice. You really need to try this, please. Guys, try it. Then you tell me. In fact, this is my dinner.
This light sweet.
Very soft, sweet.
And it's
Like sponge cake. So soft.
we don't know, guys. This
Oh
this
my
the
god, I did
review.
not give my people.
This is the deal.
I'm sorry. So sorry.
I'm settled. It's mine. I've claimed possession on the cake.
Yeah. No, go put it in the fridge, let it cool. Then we enjoy it more. The cameraman.
It's behind camera.
Don't worry. Guys, you have to try this one. This one, try it.
Just made my
Very
mood.
easy to make.
Just made my mood.
So easy.
Anyways, guys, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell icon so you get notified when content like this.
There you're going.
Yeah. Okay, let me go slow. Don't forget to turn on your post notification bell icon so you get notified when drop new content like this. If you're into cooking here, then stick to this channel. Don't forget to subscribe. It helps the channel grow, and share, because we're still small. So
Yeah.
the more you share, the more
more
people see, the more the video grows, and then voila, you win, we all win.
And we become one
So
family.
yeah. So
Thank you
guys,
so much.
yeah, it's been nice. This video has been great. Don't forget to eat healthy, stay healthy, and eat banana cake.
Please, if you try this, put it on the comment down below. Please, I want to know if you try it. Please.
Yeah, you guys should try something.
Try it and let's know.
This will be good on a Sunday evening.
Yeah, of course. It's nice.
It's lovely. So guys, the last toast.
Stay healthy.
Bye bye.
Bye.